Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning to be exact, here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen again. Oh, it's about 50 something degrees outside, cloudy, humid, yeah, and a little bit of a wind. I know, Al Roker, sorry. Oops. All right, last night, more technically yesterday afternoon into the evening, I prepared my basic red sauce and a little bit of research. I found out the basic there's a very basic red sauce which basically has nothing in it. Well, basically, there's some stuff. I'm talking Italian here. And then this sauce is in the next category up, and it's called Sugo all'Italiana. Oh, 4 hour simmer, at least 4 hours. On extreme low, I do have a simmer burner. Oh, the house smelled wonderful for hours and hours and hours. We just did it over a mix of pasta. It was a smorgasbord of pastas. It had like 3 or 4 different kinds of pasta in it. It was really yummy. And yes, we have leftovers. I think I'm going to warm some up for lunch and dip bread in it. It's really good. Tonight, I'm taking a night off. Well, sort of. Tonight, Robin and I are going to be having a 4-cheese Red Baron pizza. And whatever happens after it gets cut and gets put on plates, we'll see. I'm going to keep mine basically simple. I'm going to add a thing or two, but you'll just have to wait and see. So that's what's going on here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm currently working on another project, a video project I'm really excited about. I'm not want to give out too much details. I'm working out technical issues and a little bit of some formatting issues because it's something different than I've done before behind the scenes. So yeah, and I can tell you right now, they're going to be short. Yeah. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.